Hello everyone, so today I'll be sharing with you a simple Sunday lunch recipe you can try out at home. I got this recipe from CCME's page, but I'll be using chicken and beef for mine. So if you need another recipe for your Nigerian sauce, keep watching this video.
For this sauce, I'll be using carrot. I got these carrots for 500 naira. Carrots are expensive now, but I have one particular customer that I buy my veggies from. So he gave me this one for 500. And I'll be using green pepper. I got these two for 400 naira. That's 200 naira each. Then this pepper, I got it for 300 naira. Then I got small spring onions for 100 naira. Then I'll also be putting atarudu, your red pepper too, to give it that. We like pepper in this house, sha. Although the kids don't like it, but my husband is a Yoruba stroke Igbo man. He's an Igbo man, but he likes pepper. So I'll be adding these two to the sauce.
My people, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you.
Therefore,